Hey guys, so we're gonna be working in the milking parlor a little bit this morning. Some of you know we put these new gates on the end of our parlor. I'll close it. So we used to have two different gates folded together in the center. They're starting to break down and give trouble. Changed up the design and just put a single gate in. Problem is cows can push through. You can see I can just pull on this and it creates a gap there pretty easily. So we had a neighbor help us get this built and installed. He's actually coming today. He designed some sort of latch for it. Interested to see. I think he already has them built. We just have to stick them on there. We have one of these on each side. Go ahead. So we got the two latches put on the gates. So this was just mounted on a fixed point before. Now he put this sliding piece on there. The outer shell is mounted up there to that pipe. And this inside part will slide, so when you go to open the gate, spring loaded, so it pushes this end back first, which turns this rod and unlatches the gate. Pretty clever design. I don't think I would have been able to come up with that. That was actually yesterday we put them in. We milked a few times since then. Haven't had any issues. I think they're gonna be pretty reliable. So it's just hooks on there. It's got a lot of strength to it. We had cows pushing through the gate once or twice in milking. Wasn't every time, but there was a few cows that were learning how to do it. And I was thinking we ought to put a latch on here. I just couldn't figure out how to make it unlatch with the lever at the same time without having a separate cord you had to pull or something. He has some grease zerks on there, so you have to make sure we grease them sometimes. We're gonna go ahead and move some heifers around. Got some young calves to move into this heifer barn, which means we gotta move everybody down. Move some of the oldest ones out to the other farm. Just back the trailer right up to this corner. And this gate swings over. It's kind of a perfect funnel for them. Bring them right out of the pen. So we just built this barn last year. If you're new to the channel, whole bunch of videos on that whole process. Spent a lot of time trying to design this area, make it easy to load cattle. Keep coming. Whoop. So we breed them once they get to these two pens, about 13 months old. And once we have them confirmed that they're pregnant, we can take them to the other farm. So we have two in this pen that need new ear tags. Just want to get them tugged before we sort them out. Just waiting for that one to get caught there, and then I'm gonna put these tags on. They don't usually lose their tags. There's a hole there from the old tag. For some reason they were able to pull it out. We have a second tag on this side that's a ID that we can tell which one it was.
'53, '57, '55, and '58. Push that way. Yeah. 55, 53, 54.
Come on, girls. Come on. We're gonna take these to the other farm now. So we're at the rented place where we have that big conveyor we put in last week. Yep. Always got to be careful at first. We have this fence that they can run through. It's electric, but it's pretty small. We just keep our pregnant heifers at this farm. Those are animals that are very easy to take care of. You just got to feed them. Those jumped off the trailer. We're going to chase them right inside the barn, and then we're going to sort out the ones we're going to take home out of the group. We have them penned on that side of the bunk feeder right now. There's some nice looking animals. 18, 25, 26, 27. I already got 3 sorted out. It's 4. Better chain that. Backing up to the dry cow barn now. We're back. We got 3 more to load up.
Come on.
Go ahead. Go ahead. We're gonna throw some bedding in this barn while we're down here. So I'm dropping these last 3 off in the dry cow barn. This barn has 51 stalls. We currently have 27 animals in here now that we added these 7 today. So it's definitely understocked. We have the dry cows, which are the ones that are on their break between lactations. Gonna have a calf soon. Then we have these heifers in there with them. It's good for them. They can learn how to lay in a stall. So once we get up in the milking barn, they already know how to do that. So now we're gonna work down through that new heifer barn and create some space there for the youngest ones. We're ready for a new group of youngins. Go get the calves. So this is where the young calves stay for the first 3 months of life. We're gonna move 9 out. I like to let these jump off in the back of the pen so they can jump onto the bed pack. It's nice and soft. Not gonna slip or anything. One thing I wish we did different in that calf barn, when they finished the concrete floor, they made it real smooth like you would a shop floor. And then when it gets a little wet, it's just way too slick trying to walk cattle on it. So I like to chase them up towards the front and get them to walk out onto the slatted floor there. At first, they're usually a little scared. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Man, this group is worse than normal. That was a bit of a battle. So now we'll still give them their calf grain. We're gonna start them on the forage as well. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Had some people ask if I still shoot hoops. Yes, I do. That rim is 10 foot. That rim is 10 foot. See you guys later.